with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing and delicious cucumber celery lemonade that I know you guys are going to love, especially in this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make with Gloria.
But first things first, getting ready our simple syrup. Yes, when you prepare your simple syrup, your lemonade will not have too much sugar. It's going to get sweetened and it's going to be delicious and refreshing. Once the water is boiling, you're going to turn it off, put it aside, and let it come to room temperature. Let me tell you, this is the best way to consume less sugar when you make your lemonades at home. And here I have my lemons. I'm going to slice through the center. Look at this. They have no seeds. These are organic lemons from my garden. So here I'm going to start slicing away. This is going to take time, but let me tell you, there's nothing more delicious than enjoying a refreshing lemonade at home. And with this little gadget, of course, I'm not leaving any juice behind. Look at this. I am going to get about 1.5 cups of lemon juice. Take your time. I know that this part takes a little longer to prepare, but take your time and get all that amazing juice out of your lemons. You're really going to enjoy them. Let me tell you, step by step, how to make your simple syrup. Step by step, how to make an amazing lemonade with cucumber and celery. Yes, it's the perfect combination and it's so refreshing. So here, I'm going to continue getting the juice out of these lemons. And once you have all your juice, you should have 1.5 cups. That should be good for 1 liter of water. And here I have the 2 stalks of celery. I'm just going to chop away. Of course, when I'm making my lemonades, I always use my NutriBullet. The big blender I have is for my salsas and for anything else. But for my lemonades and my smoothies, I only use my NutriBullet. So here I have my cucumber. I'm going to take a little bit of the skin off so the lemonade is not too dark. So here I'm just going to slice away. And then, of course, I am ready to show you. I have everything ready and prepared. Don't forget your pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is going to lower the acidity of the lemon and it's going to create this delicious lemonade. So don't omit it. And here I am ready to start. I'm going to start with the celery. I'm going to add 2 cups of water and I am going to blend it really good. Blend it for a couple minutes, making sure that the celery is nice and blended. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing celery cucumber lemonade, you're going to come back and continue making it. It's a really refreshing drink. Instead of consuming so much soda or soft drinks, make your lemonades. I know it's time consuming, but let me tell you, your thirst is going to go away and you are going to be left with this amazing flavor in your mouth. Let me tell you, this is a very delicious lemonade. Don't forget, like I said, the pinch of salt. And now I'm ready to add the cucumber. I'm going to add 2 cups of water and I'm going to blend completely. Let's blend it really good. And of course, the cucumber, I'm not going to put it through a sifter. I'm just going to blend it really good and incorporate it into the juice of the celery. It is so hot here in California that I'm really going to enjoy this refreshing and delicious, very traditional Mexican lemonade. So now I am ready to pour it into the rest of the ingredients. Once you add it, you're going to add your lemon juice, 1.5 cups. You're going to add 1 cup of your simple syrup. And now we're just going to incorporate all those flavors. Look how beautiful. Look at the color, looks so beautiful. I'm going to show you from close up how beautiful it looks, and you could even see the little specks, the green little specks of the cucumber. The aroma of the celery, just amazing. Look at this. And now, of course, I am ready to add it to the pitcher. Of course, on the pitcher, I'm not going to add any ice. My family comes later, so I just don't want to dilute this amazing lemonade. So I'm going to pour all my lemonade in here. And of course, I'm going to get a glass full of ice. I really want to enjoy it. Nice and cold and refreshing. And if you got to this part of the video, like, subscribe, and share. And I hope you enjoy as I enjoy here with my beautiful family.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing
I am ready
family
to taste.
recipes
I'll
for
see you
you
in
to
just
make.
a
So many
little bit.
recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for
Hey
you.
friends, I am completely done with this amazing and refreshing lemonade, cucumber and celery. Let me tell you, the combination is perfect. And this is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The flavor is amazing. And the combination is perfect. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing lemonade. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria.